Hey, welcome back to the lab. And today we are going to do a phone repair. So this is a Tecno tablet. The issue with this is that the touch is gone, so it doesn't respond to anything. But I can see the display is okay. So the LCD is good, but the touch sensor panel is dead. So this panel is dead. So we are going to repair it. So I have a new one here. So this is a Tecno Droidpad 7D. So let's see how this goes. So the product we are using today is T7000 glue. So first thing first, we need to remove this cover here, and there are a few screws. Seems like two of them are missing. So let's see. And all my screwdrivers are worn out. I bought this as a package for a cheap price. Now I'm coming to realize the essence of the saying that cheap is expensive. Of course, these ones need replacement. See, the heads are all damaged. So let's go ahead and repair this tablet. So this is how it looks inside. So in order for us to remove this panel successfully, we need to apply some heat. I'll switch on my hot air station and set the temperature at around 150 degrees. I think that one is okay. Ooh. Just a little bit of heat. We don't want to apply too much, or you are going to damage something. You need to have steady hands while doing this kind of thing, or else you will burn your hands. See what I'm doing? I'm not hitting at the middle of the panel, just going around the edges. This is why we have the glue around the edges, just like this. Also, as I said earlier, it's a good idea to, whenever you are working on electronics, just make sure the power is off. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to desolder this wire, the positive lead from the battery, so that we can have a tablet off. Just melt that. So when just like that, our tablet is off. So also I need to tape this wire like that, so that it doesn't short anything. So then we continue heating our panel. You can give it like 2 minutes heat for around 2 minutes. I think our 2 minutes are over, so I can switch off the hot air. Then I start prying my screen. See how easy it comes off. Just like that. And as you can see, this is our touch. So broken. You can also go ahead and remove the rest. Make sure you are careful not to touch the screen, or rather touching is not an issue, but breaking it is the issue. Make sure you remove these pieces. So the screen is coming off, so we need to remove this. I think it's this one for the touch needs to go. So you'll have to remove the motherboard from the rest of the casing. You need a new set of screwdrivers. This one is damaged, and they can't get the work done easily. I just need to get underneath. So that I can get this one off. So that's off. Let's get these battery terminals off too. And the button for the power and the volume need to come off like that. So So what we need to do here is we need to scrub this glue off, and for that I'm going to use a scalpel. So seems like we need some heat. And this time I'm going to go to 200 degrees. So we heat a little bit, and make sure don't heat too much. The last thing you need is to deform this plastic. Just a little bit of heat and the glue will be loose. So you can't attach the screen with the old glue in place. You will not get a proper attachment. So we need to get this glue off and apply a new one. So we heat, make sure you don't melt the plastic. You realize that the battery is still attached, but I'm not going to remove it since we are not heating around that area. If we were heating around that area, you need to get the battery off, otherwise things could get a little bit out of hand very easily with heating a battery. So you apply it like that, make sure you don't melt the plastic, and then this glue will come off nice and easy without much struggle. See, just like that. Now you know how you remove this glue. Using a little bit of heat. See how it comes off? So I'm going to clean the entire glue and then come back. So after some few minutes, all the old glue is gone. So now it's time to apply a new one. So this is the LCD panel. So let's give it a clean. So too bad I don't have a cleaning product right now. Can I use a piece of cloth? It's not going to be super clean since we have some scratches. This is as clean as I can get it at this moment. So Here is the touch. So maybe before we remove it, I will make sure it's going to work. So I think the new touch will work. So we can go ahead and assemble everything. So it's time to apply the glue. Nice and uniform. Make sure that your glue is applied uniformly. So let's give it 2 minutes. So our 2 minutes are over, and now it's time for the bonding. And also there is a thin plastic piece that is supposed to go at the bottom. It's kind of a spacer, so this one is meant to go right there. Just like that. Then now we can attach our panel. Now we make sure we align. So we can use these two holes, the camera one and the LED one, to align our panel like this. Make sure that everything falls in place the right way. Like that. So our screen is well repaired. Now we just need to take the motherboard back and wait. So we are going to give this glue 24 hours for it to set well. Now let's put the motherboard back. The battery is well soldered like that. The speaker is well. So the screen flex is well. The touch panel flex is good. The button is in place. I think now I'm gonna close the lid. So the buttons are clicking well. So let's turn it on. There you go. So I'm going to hold this, I'm going to use these rubber bands to hold the screen so that it can attach properly. See, the touch is working. So let's switch it off. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more, and remember to share, subscribe, and also leave a comment.